back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Here is Mr. DIY Chris. Back at it again. This time, shut up. Half awake. We're half awake, but we're here. We're present. We're going to take care of this. Today, we are working on a car that isn't even ours for once. Whoa, hey. It's a CLA 250 4MATIC. We have a buddy of ours that wanted to get his brake calipers redone in red, and we told him we'd help him. So today we're gonna take wheels off. We're gonna hang the calipers just by the brake line, obviously not supporting it, and we're gonna paint them red with this G2 paint, caliper paint that we got. We used it on the E36, came out perfect, so we'll show you again. Follow along. I have to say, the CLA looks really good. I mean, it's probably because of the red. I really do like the red a lot. I like the interior too. Very nice place. So, still can't give up my Beamers though, but this is a great car. I like how the roof is all a panoramic sunroof. So it's like fully glass. I love it.
I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going.
Yeah, and the rubber nub here, coming over there. So we're gonna jack up the car, guys. Do one whole side and then do the other side, so we'll keep you posted. Obviously nothing hard to it. We took off the 5 lug nuts. We got one side raised. We're gonna do the front side. We're not doing a full off job because he wanted us to do it on. He didn't want us to flush the brakes and all that. So we're just doing it on the car, but you're gonna see the tape work and the just the tape off job we're gonna do. It's gonna be completely clean. You won't even notice. All right, guys, so I've been going at it with brake clean and just rubbing it like crazy. And now Chris is on the other side masking and creating a contraption to hang the caliper so that way we can paint it properly.
Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me.
Alright guys, we started the first coat on this caliper and it's actually a beautiful red, not gonna lie. This is only the first coat, we'll probably be doing 3 of them. Guys, now we're going to remove the rear brake. We might as well do one whole side, that way the front can fully cure. It's 3 hours time to cure, so we'll get it done. We also recommended taking that off because I hate dealer badges, so we're taking that off later too. We're making progress though. So guys, if you have a CLA, the way to get the piston to retract completely is by pressing, you said, the phone and the OK button. 5 seconds, 1 click on the ignition, and then it says vehicle data. And we can go to pad replacement, and then it allows us to move the piston back, so that way we can install it with these. Sunday. Oh, look at that finished product, guys. Getting there with this rear one. We had to figure out a few extra steps because of the electronic parking brake, but no problem. Easy. It's matching the Milwaukee set, man. Red, black theme. That's all we do here. All right, guys, we're officially on the other side. Making progress. All right, making progress. Let me show you the completed side. It looks fresh. So we also told the owner that we could do a diffuser, side skirts, and the front lip, we would change it to carbon. And then if he really wants to, we could even change the spoiler. So that'll be up to him, but he's thinking about it. I think he's down to do it, so we're down too. We already got the rear going on. The other side's done, so we're about 75% almost done. Guys, it is done. We're gonna turn this thing into a fresh ass car. Alright guys, if you guys stayed tuned this long, I appreciate you. DIY Chris and James. Oh guys, you can't even see me in this light. We're out, guys. It was like 90 degrees. I didn't do a whole lot of talking because it was hot as hell. But we got the job done almost pretty much with no hitches. So that's like a first, but we're not going to jinx it, you know, too many more. But this car's looking fresh, and we even gave it a nice little detail. So again, thanks for commenting, subscribing. Stay tuned. There's a whole bunch of car content coming your way.